In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a toggle in a Gamma presentation quickly and easily. Toggles are a great way to keep your slides clean, organized, and interactive, especially when you want to hide extra details, examples, or supporting content until someone clicks to expand it. This is super useful for polished presentations, lessons, product demos, and anything where you want to reduce clutter while still keeping important information available. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and simple software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're inside, you'll see your dashboard with all of your existing presentations. From here, select the presentation you want to edit. This is the presentation where you want to insert the toggle section. After your presentation opens, look for the card where you want the toggle to appear. In Gamma, a card is the area where you add and structure your content, so click directly inside that card to place your cursor in the right spot. This step is important because the toggle will be inserted exactly where your cursor is active. Now, on your keyboard, type / and then toggle. So just type bar toggle. As soon as you do that, Gamma will bring up a pop-up menu with different block options. This is one of the fastest ways to add elements in Gamma without digging through menus. From the pop-up menu, select the toggle button. Once you click it, Gamma will insert a toggle block into your card. This will create a collapsible section that you can expand and collapse whenever needed. Next, type your toggle title. This is the label people will see before expanding the content. Try to make it clear and descriptive so viewers immediately know what the section is about. After typing the title, press enter to start adding content inside the collapsed section. Inside the toggle, you can add text, images, or even nested cards depending on how you want to structure your presentation. This makes toggles really powerful because you can hide extra explanations, bonus notes, FAQs, or supporting visuals without overwhelming the slide. A great tip is to use toggles for anything that adds value but doesn't need to be visible all at once. That way, your presentation stays neat and easy to follow, while still giving your audience the option to dig deeper if they want more detail. And that's it. You've now added a toggle in Gamma presentation. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a huge difference in how clean and professional your slides look. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.